So, hello everyone, welcome to our online learning platform SP लेसन कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम। तो बच्चों हमारी सीरीज चल रही है सक्सेस बूस्टर सीरीज, जिसमें हम कंप्लीट कोर्स ऑफ फिजिक्स की बात करने वाले हैं। और आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है बच्चों वो है जेई मेन 2021 जो 17 मार्च को अटैम्प्ट में पेपर हुआ है शिफ्ट फर्स्ट का। उसका सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे बच्चों हम फिजिक्स सब्जेक्ट के लिए। तो अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं बच्चों तो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कीजिएगा इसको। सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज दैट ए पार्टिकल ऑफ मास m is rotating with constant angular velocity omega in horizontal plane circle. The particle is suspended with the help of a string from point B. If L is angular momentum about A and LB is angular momentum about B, then choose the correct option. So बच्चों it's a question of rotational motion and theoretical question. So आप देख सकते हो बच्चों अबाउट पॉइंट ए जिस एक्सिस के रेस्पेक्ट में रोटेट कर रहा है उस एक्सिस के रेस्पेक्ट में एंगुलर मोमेंटम का जो मैग्नीट्यूड और डायरेक्शन होता है बच्चों वो कांस्टेंट होता है। सो आप ए पॉइंट के रेस्पेक्ट में अगर आप देखोगे at the point of respect point A, so the direction and magnitude of angular momentum is constant. So according to given option, the option number A is the correct answer. The LA is constant in magnitude and direction. So it's a very easy question and theoretical. आप easily इसमें आइडिया लगा सकते हो कि ए पॉइंट के रेस्पेक्ट में एंगुलर मोमेंटम का जो डायरेक्शन और मैग्नीट्यूड है वो क्या रहेगा, कांस्टेंट रहेगा। सो ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। गो थ्रू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इन हाइड्रोजन एटम electron is moving in a circular orbit with speed v and principal quantum number of orbit is small n, then correct relation will be। तो बच्चों ये मॉडर्न फिजिक्स से सवाल है जिसमें चैप्टर का नाम है एटॉमिक फिजिक्स। ओके, सो इलेक्ट्रॉन व्हेन वी रिवॉल्व आप उसका वेलोसिटी लिखते हो v इक्वल्स टू अकॉर्डिंग टू बोर मॉडल 2.2 or we can write 2.16 into 10 to the power 6 z by n. Okay, for hydrogen z equals to 1, so we can see v inversely proportional to n. So according to option number second, v is inversely proportional to n, so option number second is the correct answer. So आप easily इसमें देख सकते हो कि the question will be solved in within 1 minute. So you can use directly formula 2.2 into 10 to the power 6 z by n meter per second, and v is inversely proportional to n, so the option number second will be correct answer. Go through the next question. The question will be from friction. You can see in the two block system shown in the figure, evaluate the maximum force in Newton applied to lower block so that the both move together. So both move together. First of all, we can find the maximum acceleration. So we can write maximum acceleration. For maximum acceleration, we can write with the both the block with move together. You can write mu means 3 by 7 multiplied by 0.5 divided by 0.5 multiplied by 9.8. So you can write the maximum acceleration after solving 4.2 meter per second square. So the F maximum will be right the total mass 4.2 the acceleration multiplied by the total mass 4.5 plus 0.5 which is equals to 5. You can solve the get the answer 21 Newton. Okay, so easily get you the solution of this question. First of all, find the maximum acceleration and then force maximum which is equals to total mass into maximum acceleration. So go through the next question. To what the minimum value of radius of earth should be reduced to the escape velocity becomes 10 times its actual value. Okay, so you can write the formula of escape velocity which is equals to root of 2gm divided by r, or according to given question v escape velocity multiplied by root r which is equals to 10 times of v escape velocity into root r dash. Okay, so you can get r dash equals to r by 100, because v escape cancel out. So r by 100, use the put 6400 kilometer, you can cancel out the two zeros and get the answer 64 kilometer. Okay, so this is the integer type question. You can find the radius in kilometer. So the minimum value of radius of earth should be reduced so that the escape velocity becomes 10 times of its actual value. Okay, so now go through the next question. The question is from simple harmonic motion or SHM. You can say body is performing SHM from amplitude A and the displacement from mean position at which its kinetic energy is equal to potential energy. So you can easily get the kinetic energy equals to potential energy, both equal to the formula, and you can get the result easily. So the kinetic energy will be half m omega square a square minus x square, which is equals to potential energy half m omega square a square. So you can cut out the half m omega square from both sides. You can get a square minus x square, which is equals to a square. Okay, sorry, you can get half m omega square x square at both sides. So you can get a square equals to 2x square. So x square equals to a square by 2, or you can get x equals to plus minus a by root 2. So at the both side, you can get this graph, and these are the points x equals to plus minus a by root 2. This is x equals to plus a by root 2, and this is x equals to minus a by root 2. At both the situation, you can get the kinetic energy equals to potential energy, and the total energy will be always constant like this. So x equals to plus minus a by root 2 means option number third is the correct answer. Go through the next question. At what energy level of unielectronic carbon has same energy of hydrogen atom in ground state? So you can easily put the formula En equals to minus 13.6 Z square upon N square. Okay. So according to given question, En of carbon is equals to E first, means ground state, of hydrogen. So you can get minus 13.6 Z for carbon is equals to 6. So you can get 6 square divided by N square equals to minus 13.6 Z square for hydrogen 1, and for ground state N equals to 1. You can solve. Minus 13.6 will be cancel out. So N square equals to 36 over N equals to 6. So option number second is the correct answer. Okay, go through the next question. Two identical rods are connected in series having conductivity K1 and K2. What is the equivalent thermal conductivity? So it's a question of heat transfer. So you can add the series combination. This is K1 and this is K2. So here length L and length is L. Here is the temperature theta 1, here is the junction temperature theta naught, and here is theta 2. So the heat is always from high temperature to low temperature. Here in this question, in series combination, dq by dt is always constant. So the heat transfer from theta 1 to theta naught and then theta naught to theta 2. So when we found the equivalent constant, you can write the series formula of resistance. R equivalent will be R1 plus R2. You can remember the formula R equals to L upon Ka. So you can use 2L, the total length, divided by K equivalent into area, which is equals to A. For this part, you can write L upon k1 into a, plus for this part you can write L upon k2 by a. So you can easily get 2 upon k equivalent, which is equals to L upon k1 plus L upon k2. Okay, after solving you can get k equivalent, which is equals to 2k1 k2 divided by k1 plus k2. Means option number first option is the correct answer. Go through the next question. A Carnot engine means thermodynamics question. Work between the two reservoir at temperature 400 Kelvin and 800 Kelvins. Work per cycle is 1200 joule. Find heat supplied per second. So first of all, you can find the neta, means efficiency. So neta equals to 1 minus T2 by T1. Here T1 is the temperature of source, means high temperature, and T2 is the temperature of sink, means low temperature. So 1 minus low temperature here is 400 and high temperature is 800. So you can get 1 minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2, means efficiency is 50%. You can remember this formula, the efficiency which is equal neta equals to W upon Q1. So Q1 equals to W by neta. Here given is W equals to 1200 joule. Putting the value of neta equals to half, you can get the Q1 which is equals to 2400 joule. Means option number 1 is the correct answer. Go through the next question. Question number 10. A ring, disc, solid cylinder and solid sphere all are released from fixed inclined plane of inclination at angle theta. The minimum time taken by an object to arrive at bottom of incline if all perform pure rolling. Okay. So first of all, we can write the formula of acceleration A equals to z sine theta divided by 1 plus k square upon r square, or you can write A equals to g sine theta. We know k square equals to I by m, so you can write 1 plus k square की जगह put कर दिया I by m multiplied by r square. So I ring, first of all we can write mr square. So you can write the acceleration of ring, which is equals to g sine theta by 2. Then I disk, we know half mr square. So you can get A disk equals to 2 by 3 g sine theta. Then I of solid cylinder, which is equals to half mr square. So you can write A solid cylinder will be 2 by 3 g sine theta, and A of SS you can get 2 by 5 mr square, means solid sphere. So A of solid sphere will be get 5 by 7 z sine theta. Now use the kinematic equation S equals to half AT square. So you can get T inversely proportional to 1 upon A. So solid sphere will take minimum time. So option number second is the correct answer. We go through the next question. The question of semiconductor logic gate. The circuit shown in the figure represent which of the following gates? Okay. So you can use, this is NOT gate. This is also NOT gate. So you can get A, here is A bar, here is B, and this is B bar. Okay. And this is NOR gate. So use the equation A bar plus B bar of that whole bar. Okay. According to De Morgan theorem, you can get A into B, which is the equation of AND gate, So option number third is the correct answer. Go through the next question. Two spring mass system are suspended as shown in the figure. If time period is T and TB, is TB is A, then TA by TB is equal to root x. Find the value of x. So TA, you can write 2 pi of root m by k. Here is the series combination. So you can get T equals to TB 2 pi root of m by 2k. So TA by TB equals to root 2. So you can get x equals to 2. Comparing the equation root x from root 2, you can get x equals to 2. So this is also integer type question. Go through the next question. Question number 13. A long solenoid having 1000 turns per unit length means small n given equals to relative permeability of medium inside it is 500, current flowing its solenoid is 5 ampere, then find the magnetic flux density inside the solenoid. So you can easily write the formula B equals to mu naught mu r ni. So B equals to 500 multiplied by 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 n multiplied by I, which is equals to 5. Okay, so you can get B equals to pi into 10 to the power minus 3 into n. Okay, so you can get pi into 10 to the power minus 3. So easily get the formula. B put the 1000. So B equals to pi into T, means pi Tesla is the correct answer. Option number second. Go through the next question. A car accelerates from alpha and declarate with the beta. The total time accelerate is t. Find out the total distance traveled. The famous problem of kinematics. You can easily use the directly formula half of alpha into beta divided by alpha plus beta into t square. Means option number first is the correct answer. Go through the next question. A plano-convex lens of diameter 6 and thickness 3 mm, the speed of light 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, then find the focal length of the lens. First of all, you can draw the diagram of this given situation. So this is the radius, r equals to, here is thickness is 3 centimeter, here is r minus 0.3. Okay, so use the Pythagoras theorem. You can get r square equals to 3 square plus r minus 0.3 whole square. After solving, you can get r equals to 15.15 centimeter. You know mu equals to c by v. Okay, so mu you can get 1.5. Use the formula of lens maker. 1 upon f equals to mu minus 1 multiplied by 1 upon r1. This is a plano convex, so here in using only one radius, so the focal length is approximately equals to 30 centimeter. Means option number first is the correct answer. Go through the next question. An object of mass m moving with the velocity of 20 meter per second collide with another object, its final kinetic energy is 5% of initial kinetic energy, then evaluate its final speed. So you can use directly the formula half mv square equals to 5% means 5 by 100 of half into m into 20 square. Okay, so you can easily get from this v equals to 2 root 5 meter per second, means option number second is the correct answer. Two soap bubble radius a and b combine, find the radius of curvature of the common surface during the process. When two surface of soap bubble like this is the common radius. So here is a and here is b. You can easily get r common, which is equal to multiple of both radius, biggest radius minus small radius. So option number 1 is the correct answer. Go through the next question. Question number 18. An electron of mass m and photon has same energy. Find out their radius of relation. So it is question of from modern physics. You can easily get from this result E equals to Sc by lambda or h nu. This is lambda photon. So lambda photon you can get Sc by E. Okay. Here is the equation number 1. For electron according to de Broglie wavelength, lambda electron equals to root 2 me. Equation number 2. When we take the ratio of both equation, lambda electron divided by lambda photon, you can get 1 upon c root of E by 2m. Means option number 2 is the correct answer. Go through the next question. Two gases are mixed, means kinetic theory of gases. If number of moles n1 and n2, initial temperature T1 T2, mass m1 m2, degree of freedom f1 and the final temperature will be. So initial internal energy, which is equals to final internal energy, you can use this concept and easily get the result. So f1 by 2 n1 rt1 plus f2 by 2 n2 rt2, which is equals to f1 by 2 n1 rt plus f2 by 2 n2 rt. So T you can get f1 n1 t1 plus f2 n2 t2 divided by f1 n1 plus f2 n2, means option number 3 is the correct answer. Go through the next question. Find area covered in kilometer square by an antenna of height 30 meter. So first of all, use the formula of communication system D equals to root 2HR. Okay, and the area will be pi d square. Okay, so area will be pi. You can put D equals to root 2HR. So squaring is get 2HR. So pi you can put 3.14 multiplied by 2 multiplied by height, which is 30 meter, and the radius will be 6400 into 10 to the power 3, and area will be meter square, or you can get area in kilometer square 1205.76 kilometer square, or approximately we can write 1206 kilometer square. So this is the correct answer, 1206 kilometer square. Go through the next question. This is the question of connecting plates means electrostatical. The equivalent capacitance आपको बताना है कितना होगा between A and C. So value of A and C is x epsilon naught by d, where x equals to. So you can easily get the combination of capacitor. Here is plate A combined and capacitor C. Here is the point B and D connected a capacitor like this, and here is point C connected a capacitor like this. The capacitance will be C and C. So you can get parallel combination. Here is 2C, and 2C and C will be in series combination. You can get C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2 means 2C into C divided by 2C plus C means 2C by 3. C you can put epsilon naught A by D. So X will be epsilon naught A by D. Here put the area of value, length and width will be given. So multiplied by length and width, you can get the area 3. So divided by 3. So here you can get x equals to easily 2. So here the answer will be 2 epsilon naught by d. Area you can put length into width means 2 into 3 by 2 means 3. So next question. If current in wire is I equals to I1 sin omega t and I2 cos omega t, find out the reading of the hot wire ammeter means alternating current connected to it. So you can easily get the remembering formula of IRMS, which is equals to I naught by root 2 root of I1 square plus I2 square divided by 2. Okay. So IRMS equals to I naught by root 2, or you can get the result root of I1 square plus I2 square by 2 means option number first is the correct answer. Go through the next question. करंट इन वायर 10 एम्पियर एरिया दे रखा है आपको 5 mm² ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी दे रखी है आपको इतनी, देन फाइंड द इलेक्ट्रॉन नंबर डेंसिटी. डायरेक्टली यूज द फॉर्मूला I इक्वल्स टू NEA VD. सो n आपको फाइंड आउट करना है विच इज इक्वल्स टू I डिवाइडेड बाय EA VD. पुट द वैल्यू I इक्वल्स टू 10 E 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Area will be giving 5 mm² means 5 into 10 to the power 6 multiplied by drift velocity will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter per second. So you can get 6.25 into 10 to the power 27 means option number second is the correct answer. Go through the next question. Force you can given 4I cap minus 3J cap Newton अप्लाइड एट पॉइंट पे आपको बताना है टॉर्क न्यूटन इंटू सेंटीमीटर में अबाउट O एंड Q. So it's a question of rotation. So torque about O, you can write the force which is 4I cap minus 3J cap and the R vector. So you can write R cross F. You can put the R vector equals to 5I cap minus 5 root 3 J cap cross product of 4I cap minus of 3J cap. So after solving you can get minus 15K cap minus 20 root 3. So option number K cap. So option number second will be match. First of all, then you can find the torque at point P, which is equals to 15 kk minus 20 root 3 kk. Means option number second will be correct answer. The vernier caliper has positive error of 0.2 mm if zero value of vernier scale lies between 8.5 cm and 8.6 cm. If sixth division of vernier scale coincides with main scale, then reading will be least count आपको दे रखा है 0.1 mm. So the reading you can write 8.5 plus 0.1 into 6 divided by 10, or you can write minus 0.2 divided by 10. So you can get the result 8.54 centimeter, means option number second. If series combination of two resistance and parallel combination is to P and S equals to NP, then find the minimum value of N. So use the easily formula S equals to NP given in question. So R1 plus R2, which is equals to N times of R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So R1 plus R2 whole square, which is equals to N times of R1 R2. So you can get N equals to 4. Go through the next question. A polyatomic gas has 24 vibrational degree of freedom. Find its gamma. So gamma equals to 1 plus 2 by F. So 1 plus 2 by 30 means 1.066. Okay. Go through the next question. Question number 28. I think it is the last question. A car is moving with velocity v in circular turn of radius r. Mass of the car is small m. Evaluate the negative lift acting on the car. So you can use the concept of circular motion. Here you can write mv square upon r, which is equals to mu into n dash. So mu into mg plus fl, which is equals to mv square upon r, means here fl means negative lift, which is equals to mv square by r. So fl, after solving you get mv square divided by mu r minus mg. It means option number third will be the correct answer. If you like this solution, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.